Welcome. If you're looking to update your business's service area on your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update, the steps are a little different, but don't worry. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can make changes quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Give that a click. A menu will appear, showing all the pages you manage. Find the page you want to update and select it. Now that you're on your business page, look for the menu options on the left side or near the top of the screen. Click on the section labeled About. This is where all your business details are stored. Scroll down until you find the Service Area section. This is where you tell your customers which locations your business serves. Next to Service Area, you'll see a small icon that looks like 3 dots or a More icon. Click on that icon to reveal additional options. From the drop-down, select Edit Address. This will open up a new window where you can make changes to your service area. Here, you can update the address, add new service areas, or remove old ones, whatever fits your business best. Once you've made all the necessary changes, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. This ensures your new service area information is updated and visible to your customers right away. And that's it. You've successfully updated your service area on your Facebook page using your PC. Keeping this information accurate helps your customers know exactly where you operate, making it easier for them to reach out to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your business online. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.